This is 2004 Volvo XC90, and I disassemble the middle center seat belt because there is a warranty of fitness issues with retractions the seat belt, and that was quite hard to figure out how to reach here. But all you need to do at the first time here at the bottom, just remove the cover, and then from the side just remove it from this hard tail, and then just lift up, hold this seat to the front, and then you can see the bolt here, which was this one, and here and here. If you remove it, you can take out this cover, and then you can put plenty of oil here on the spring and on the belt. Use the silicone spray lubricant, and then it gonna be works really good. Yeah, just like that, tuck it in, and also here keep tuck it in somehow.